colorful and it's story time.
Benny, a shy little bunny, stands at the edge of a clear, babbling stream. Across the water, his friends hop easily, waving for him to join them in the carrot garden. Benny's paws tremble as he imagines slipping on the mossy stones. The stream seems daunting, but Benny wants to be brave. He takes a deep breath and focuses on the first stepping stone. Carefully, he hops onto it, steadying himself before leaping to the next. With each jump, Benny's confidence grows. The stones wobble, but he keeps going, concentrating on one at a time. At last, Benny reaches the far bank, greeted by cheers from his friends. Together, they race to the carrot garden, sharing laughter and smiles. Benny discovers that being brave isn't about having no fear. It's about trying, step by step, and trusting yourself.